So we have our first bit of data in from 2023. So today we're going to be going through that, looking at the real estate market, looking at sales price, but also trying to figure out how much time buyers are going to have in this upcoming market as far as decision time to make, and really, where's it going? Hi, I'm Tysiak, that guy that sells houses. I'm a realtor here in Illinois. And as I mentioned, we're going to be looking at some data here in the Chicagoland area in Illinois. And it's always best to get your information and data locally when it comes down to the real estate market because it's just so diverse. But we're also going to be looking specifically at DuPage County as well as Will County, trying to fill you in some of those details also. So let's start off as we usually do, talking about our average sold price. Now we're looking at our yearly average sold price, comparing it back to last January, which we did see our average sold price increase to $368,225. Now that's across the entire MLS and does represent about a 4.5% increase in sales price compared to last year. Now DuPage County as well as Will County saw some increases, 8% in DuPage County, and Will County saw an 8.7% increase in price. Now to go along with those sold prices, that represents a 5,270 closed sales in the month of January. Now keeping in mind, this is down about 36% compared to last year's sales. And that's not uncommon as we did see rates increase. So you can see that we have tapered off a little bit as far as the amount of closed sales. Now, one of the big factors I've really been focusing on is how many new listings have we seen coming to market, because really just our inventory is so low. Now in the month of January, we did see just over 10,000 homes come to market in the entire MLS, which is down about 16% compared to last year. Now last year, we did see our spring market kick off a little bit sooner than usual, so that's not all that surprising. But you can see DuPage County actually suffered quite a bit, down about 25% compared to last year. Now, along that number, you can see that our under contracts during that same period are also down compared to last year, down 25% at just under 7,500 homes under contract, 35% down in DuPage County. So DuPage standing out a little bit in comparison to our traditional markets. So again, talking about inventory, how many homes do we actually have for sale? And you can see across the entire MLS, we're down about 5% at just under 16,000 homes available. And DuPage County down 9.4%, and Will County coming in at 7.4% down, again, compared to last year. So already starting to see a little bit behind the ball as we are looking at amount of homes compared to last year. And of course, when we look at our inventory levels, you can see that our numbers are down as well. We're at a month and a half supply of homes based on what inventory we do have if we don't sell any more homes based on our current activity. And that is actually up about 15% compared to last year. So still very much in a seller's market, but those numbers are starting to creep up just a little bit. We'll see if that continues in the spring market. And you can see DuPage County increased 1/10 of a month, with Will County actually jumping 0.3 of a month, up 33% last year, which is great. Will County still really needs some homes for sale out there. So with all of these numbers really pointing to the fact that this spring market is probably going to be quite active, as we just haven't seen as many homes come up on the market. Would really have loved to see those new listings stayed level with last year. But again, interest rates are playing into that. But I still think that when it comes to shopping for a home, as we're starting to see a little bit, timing's going to be important, having your ducks in a row and ready to go, because there's going to be some competition out there. And if you are thinking about some of your finances and getting them in line to purchase a home either down the road this year or next, take a look at our playlist up here. And of course, if you're looking for an agent, whether you think about buying or selling a home, feel free to give me a call. I'm Tysiak, Keller Williams. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.